What if AI could not only manage your crypto investments, but also create art, run a business, or even revolutionize entire industries? Sounds like science fiction, right? It's not. It's happening now. They are here, crypto AI agents. And by the end of this video, you'll know what they are, how they're being used today, and the incredible potential they hold for the future. We're exploring the world of crypto AI agents, what they are, the real-world use cases transforming industries, and their future potential. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor, a business leader, entrepreneur, or just curious about the future, this video will give you a clear understanding of this technology and its implications. Plus, I'll share insights on the key trends shaping the crypto AI agent landscape. But first, let's address a key challenge. The crypto world is notoriously complex and volatile, demanding constant attention and expertise. Keeping up with trends, managing digital assets, and navigating new technologies can feel overwhelming. This is where crypto AI agents come in. Imagine having intelligent assistants that can not only understand this complex world, but also take action within it 24/7. But how is this different from the AI tools we've seen before? What makes these agents uniquely powerful, and how does crypto play a role? The stakes are high. We're talking about a technology that has the potential to reshape industries, redefine work, and fundamentally alter our relationship with the digital world. And the convergence of recent advancements in AI, like large language models, and the maturation of blockchain technology has created the perfect storm for the rise of crypto AI agents. So what exactly are crypto AI agents? Let's get into it. Simply put, crypto AI agents are intelligent computer programs that combine the power of artificial intelligence with the security and transparency of blockchain technology. They are designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, like making decisions, solving problems, interacting with users, and even creating content. Unlike traditional AI, these agents are integrated with cryptocurrencies and decentralized blockchain networks. This integration allows them to operate on and off-chain autonomously, securely, and with a level of transparency that's not possible with traditional systems. They can operate independently without the need for constant human intervention or oversight. Their actions and decisions are recorded on the blockchain, making them auditable and immutable. They leverage AI models and algorithms to learn, adapt, and make complex decisions based on data. Think of them as a new breed of digital assistants, capable of not just understanding your needs, but also acting on them within the crypto ecosystem and beyond. But this isn't just theoretical. Crypto AI agents are already being deployed in a variety of real-world applications. Let's explore some of the most impactful use cases. First up is DeFi, or decentralized finance. In DeFi, agents are automating complex processes like yield farming, liquidity provision, and algorithmic trading. They can dynamically allocate funds across different protocols to maximize returns, manage risk, and optimize investment strategies. For example, an agent might use flash loans, a unique feature of blockchain, to borrow funds, execute a profitable trade, and repay the loan, all within a single transaction. Agents are also transforming trading and portfolio management. They can monitor markets 24/7, analyzing trends, and identifying trading opportunities. Some agents can already execute trades based on predefined algorithms, and the goal is to create fully autonomous trading systems. They can also help users manage their crypto portfolios, rebalancing assets and providing personalized investment recommendations. For instance, one agent demonstrated its potential by autonomously raising $6 million, showcasing how they can revolutionize fundraising. Another agent was shown to impact a token's price by 4x, highlighting their growing influence in the market. Crypto AI agents are also simplifying governance in decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs. They can automate voting processes, manage proposals, and even execute decisions based on the collective will of the community. Agents are being used to generate creative content, such as music, art, and even social media posts. For instance, one agent has already created original music and released an EP demonstrating their creative capabilities. They can also curate content, personalize user experiences, and combat misinformation. Beyond finance and governance, agents are also making waves in the emerging world of the metaverse and NFTs. Agents can manage virtual properties, optimizing their use, and generating revenue in metaverse platforms. They can create unique NFTs, manage NFT collections, and even participate in NFT marketplaces. In-game, they can act as economic agents within virtual worlds, managing in-game currencies, resources, and trade. They can even create dynamic NFTs that update and evolve based on real-world data or events, creating more interactive and responsive digital assets. Looking ahead, one of the most exciting developments is the concept of agent swarms. These are groups of agents working together autonomously to achieve complex goals that would be impossible for a single agent. Like ant colonies or beehives, individual agents with simple rules can collectively achieve complex tasks. Complex behaviors can emerge from the interactions of many simple agents, leading to unexpected and potentially innovative outcomes. Agent swarms can handle tasks that are too large or complex for any single agent, showcasing their potential for large-scale applications. Imagine swarms of agents managing decentralized supply chains, optimizing traffic flow in smart cities, or even running entire businesses. An AI agent swarm could take over the work of a whole team, for example, creating content, managing social media, and doing research. But it's not only about content creation, tasks, and trading. Let's briefly touch on how the economic engine of this new agent ecosystem works. The answer lies in tokenomics. Tokenomics is a system that governs how tokens are created, distributed, and used within a crypto project. In the context of AI agents, tokens play a crucial role in powering the agent economy. Tokens enable encrypted messaging between users and bots, without revealing identities, preserving privacy. Tokens can be burned when generating revenue or used for equity financing, creating scarcity and value. Token issuance provides a share or claim on the project's value, allowing for fast capital formation. Tokens act as evidence of ownership, unlocking perks, for example, exclusive tools, DeFi platforms, and airdrops. Tokens facilitate automated distribution of earnings to stakeholders, useful for DAOs that manage revenue sharing. They serve as a currency for payment or access to services and can be staked to unlock features. Tokens enable agents to interact and transact with each other, fostering interoperability. Many agent projects use tokens for governance, allowing token holders to vote on key decisions and influence the direction of the project. Agents can use tokens to dynamically incentivize behaviors, ensuring that the community remains engaged. Having a community of token holders fosters user loyalty and creates a built-in group of stakeholders who are invested in the agent's success. When tokens are used for staking, payments, or to access specific features, it naturally increases demand and utility. Agents can also act autonomously and use tokens to procure essential resources like computing power, data, or external services. Revenue sharing is another crucial aspect. Agents can generate revenue through various activities, and token holders often get a share of these profits. For instance, remember the example of agents creating and selling music? Revenue sharing through tokens allows those agents and their developers to be directly compensated for their creative output. The ultimate payoff is this: crypto AI agents represent a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology, with each other, and with the digital economy. They are not just tools, they're becoming active participants, capable of independent thought, action, creation, and collaboration within a decentralized framework. This is not just another incremental improvement, it's a paradigm shift that has the potential to redefine industries, create entirely new economic models, and empower individuals in unprecedented ways. It is still early days, and the industry is finding its feet. But understanding this technology now, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of a revolution. You're gaining insights into a future that is rapidly unfolding, a future where intelligent, autonomous agents on the blockchain play an increasingly significant role. This is the long-term vision of crypto AI agents, and while it might seem ambitious, the progress we've seen so far suggests that it's not only possible, but increasingly probable. The crypto AI agent revolution is here. Are you ready to be a part of it? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Want to unlock the power of AI? Our free newsletter gives you the tips, trends, AI news, and tools you need to succeed. Sign up with the link in the description below. Your journey doesn't stop here. Watch our next video right here and keep building your knowledge.